Prophet Hill coming at you with a lesson. What we're going to do today? Multiply by 10. Yes, sir. Multiply by 10. So we already know you guys know how to multiply by 10. But what we're going to focus on today is we're going to focus on figuring out the pattern and what does it mean when multiplying by 10. So first up, for our first example right here on the board, we got a place value chart and our simple problem of 5 times 10. So we're going to use place value tips to help you understand the pattern when multiplying by 10. So we're taking 5 and we want to multiply that by 10. So we're starting with 5 ones. So we're going to get our 5 ones on this place value chart. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have our 5 ones. And we want to take those ones and exchange them for chips that represents 10. Okay, so we're going to take each one and exchange it for a chip that represents a set of 10. Okay, because we're taking 5 and multiplying it by 10. All right, watch me. Here we go. So I got 1 set of 10, 2 sets of 10, 3 sets of 10, 4 sets of 10, and 5 sets of 10. Now, I already know that you guys know the answer to what's 5 times 10. I already know you know it is, you said it, 50. But again, we want to focus on the pattern. So let's see why 5 times 10 equals 50. So when I see here, I exchange each set of 1 for a set of 10. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we can see here that 5 times 10, the product will be 50. But look what happened. When we started with 5 ones and we exchanged it for 5 tens, everything shifted 1 place value over to the left. Look at that. Everything shifted 1 place value over to the left. We started in the ones place and then we shifted over 1 place value to the left and now we're in the tens, which is why 5 times 10 equals 50. Well, let's see if it works with another number. Let's try 3 times 10. Okay? So we're going to start with 3 ones again because that's 3 ones. So 1, come on up here, 1, 2, and 3. So to multiply by 10, we have to exchange each set of 1 for a set of 10. So here we go, I'm finna exchange it. And because there are 10s, we have to put it in the tens place. 1 set of 10, 2 sets of 10, and 3 sets of 10. And of course, you guys know the answer, 10, 20, 30. So we know that 3 times 10 is indeed 30. But look at the pattern. Look what happens. We started in the ones place, but everything shifted 1 place value to the left. So we went from 3 ones to now we have 3 tens. Let's see what this looks like. Just doing mathematics without a place value chart. So right here, we started with 5 times 10. So 5 times 10, which we know equals 50. Let's look at this. We started with just 5. And when we multiplied it by 10, this digit shifted 1 place value over to the left because 5 times 10 is now 50. Do you see that? It was in the ones place and it just shifted 1 place over to the left. Okay? And we just fill the back ones place with a placeholder. Okay? So let's see what it looks like for 3 times 10. So we know that 3 times 10 equals 30. Look at this. We started with 3 ones. And what? Those 3 ones shifted 1 place value over to the left, which made it 3 tens. And we just write a placeholder in the ones, which is 30. And that will work for any number that you multiply by tens. So again, before we leave, here's the pattern. When multiplying by tens, all digits shift 1 place value over to the left. Again, when multiplying by tens, all digits shift 1 place value over to the left.
All digits are going to shift 1 place value over to the left. So I'm going to say that again. The pattern when multiplying by 10 is that all digits are going to shift one place value over to the left.
This is your boy Carl from the Hill signing out. Yeah!